Are you tired of seeing that annoying battery light on? Are you frustrated with constant dimming lights while using your aftermarket electronics? Then it's time to dump that weak factory alternator and upgrade to the XDP high output 230 amp alternator. The XDP high output alternator is designed to be a direct fit replacement for your Ford Powerstroke, making for a smooth bolt-on installation process. Our high output alternators also produce higher output over the factory unit. This allows you to keep your truck running reliably while also powering popular aftermarket upgrades such as off-road lights, speakers, air compressors, and more. To find out more about the XDP high output 230 amp alternators or how to get one for your vehicle, check out xdp.com or find a local dealer near you.